The clients came to me specific to groundwater remediation projects in their facilities. There's some kind of spill historically. Then our job is to find the most effective remedial technology to address the issue at the client's site. So that involves first conceptual site model development. After we do that, we screen different remedial technologies and find the best approach. First, we take that remedial technology to the lab to test it, also find out what is the dosage rate and what kind of amendments we will use. After that, we take that technology to the field as a pilot test first, just to evaluate how it will be effective in the field. Then we do the remedial design and implement that technology. In our DNA, we have innovation and also collaboration. So the Geosyntec is unique to bringing a subject matter expert to the table. If we see a challenging project, an issue client is facing, it doesn't matter who that person will be and where that person is sitting. We'll just bring a subject matter expert to the table to solve the client's problem.